Welcome to our presentation on crafting high-converting landing pages. Today, we'll explore strategies to enhance your landing page effectiveness and boost conversions. A landing page is a focused web page designed to drive a specific action, such as signing up for a newsletter or purchasing a product. It simplifies the decision-making process for visitors. Key elements of a landing page include a compelling headline, a clear call to action, social proof, and a hero image. Each component plays a crucial role in engaging visitors. The hero section is at the top of the page and captures attention immediately. It includes a headline, subheadline, and call to action, setting the stage for the rest of the page. Crafting an effective headline involves focusing on the main idea or transformation. Highlight the benefits and appeal to emotions to engage your audience quickly. Subheadlines support the main headline by providing additional details. They balance emotional appeal with logical information, helping visitors understand the offer better. Best practices for call to action buttons include using clear, action-oriented text and explaining what happens after clicking. Personalize the text with "my" or "me" for better engagement. Social proof builds trust by showcasing reviews, ratings, and testimonials. Highlighting satisfied customers and successful outcomes can significantly enhance credibility. Choosing the right hero image is crucial. It should show people enjoying your product, making it relatable and emotionally engaging for visitors. Focus on benefits rather than features. Explain how your product improves lives, using visuals and clear descriptions to illustrate these advantages. Effective testimonials are short and specific, showing real results. Including photos and star ratings can make testimonials more relatable and powerful. FAQs address common questions and concerns, helping to overcome objections. Choose the most important questions to build confidence in your offer. The power of three is a psychological principle that suggests people respond well to groups of three. Use this in your design to make information more digestible. Simplifying your page design helps keep the focus on the offer. Use white space, a simple color scheme, and ensure mobile compatibility for a clean, effective layout. Use clear, action-oriented language to guide visitors. Avoid vague phrases and speak directly to the visitor, making your intentions and actions clear. Loading speed is critical for conversion rates. Optimize images and minimize scripts to ensure your page loads quickly, keeping visitors engaged. /B testing involves creating two versions of a page to see which performs better. This iterative process helps refine and improve your landing page's effectiveness. Mobile optimization ensures your page looks good on all devices. Use larger buttons and simplify content for smaller screens to enhance user experience. Key takeaways include focusing on benefits, building trust, and keeping design simple. Continuously test and improve your page to maximize conversions.